Alright guys, Harley here, 77 Cycles, and we just kind of wanted to discuss today what we mean when we're talking about back cutting the gears on the transmission. I feel like a lot of people kind of get confused as far as what that means. And basically what we're talking about is you've got this gear here, right? See how these are straight? Right? Now, we'll get one here that we've got back cut. And this is done by CNC for a perfect angle every time. You can see now kind of the difference. It's hard to kind of tell, kind of put them up side by side, see if you can see them. But it's an ever so slightly angle, okay? And basically what we do is we found a happy number at 4 degrees. Not to tell everybody our secrets or anything, but screw it. That is literally what we do. And you can tell on there, it is even all the way around. And that is another thing that makes our transmissions last. We're not just in the garage doing it with a fucking angle grinder or anything like that, right? Okay, so basically with that, we got a gear here. So as this is trying to go around, with that at an angle, basically the whole idea with that gear being back cut is it's wanting to fall into place. It's literally wanting to fall into place. Okay, and on ours, we don't do the whole dog. Okay, you still got a good leading side edge, the part that's going to engage. Then we go back about, I'd say 15% of that dog, and then start to back cut. But the whole reasoning for this is that way it is smooth engagement. I tell you what, you get one of our transmissions or get one of our rebuild services done on yours, and you will be able to tell the difference 100%. It is smooth, shifts like butter. But anyways, you guys got any other questions, feel free to reach out. 217-682-3257 or get a hold of me, harley.77cycles@yahoo.com. Thanks guys, check us out, www.77cycles.com. Have a good day.